How to recover your Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can recover Instagram account. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up the Instagram application or go to their website, that is www.instagram.com. So once you get into the login page, here tap on forget password if you cannot log in into your account. After that, you'll be asked to enter your email or your username. You could also enter your mobile number. If you tap on search by mobile number instead, it will ask you to enter your mobile number. So you have to choose your recovery option, whether you want to go through the mobile number or via your email or username. So once you enter your email, tap on continue. Now it says we sent a code to your email. You have to enter the code to confirm your account. So you have to open up the email, but if you have provided your mobile number, you have to check the SMS from the Instagram. Then you have to look for the code, type in the code right here, and if the code is correct and if you tap on continue and on the next prompt, you will be able to change your password for your account or you'll be directly logged into your account. So if you are prompted to change your password, you can change your password, then log in. If you're directly logged in, you have access to your account now, and now you could change your password. That's it. That's how you can recover your Instagram account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.